Yeah. Right there. Turn around this way. Now ride it. Cursa Brook.
He's bringing me the newspaper.
Huh.
Thank you. Oh no! Ah. Help!
Get him, doggy.
Help!
Watch him. They can't run for sinking in the snow.
I don't want to do it.
Okay.
I can't. I'm still.
Zip your coat and put your hood on. Brad, get over somebody in the yard.
I need to make it.
Do it in that big paw. Dog attack. He wants your toboggan. Help, Branson. The dog's got him. Help, Branson, guys. That dog's trying to take his toboggan. Hurry. Get up, Branson. He likes your toboggan. Are you all cold?
No.
Brooke, put your hat on and zip your coat up. And I'm not telling you again. You're going in the house. Let's go. He'll bite him in the face. Get him off. Spank him.